To open futures demo trading account on Binance is very easy. Let me walk you through how to do it. So the first thing that you need is you need a Binance account, of course. And I'm going to leave a link in the video description and a comment section for you to just go ahead, click on it and create the account for yourself. So when you finally create your Binance account, log into the Binance account, and when you log in, you're going to see an interface like this, similar to this one right here. So the next thing that you want to do from this page is go to features showing at the bottom over here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you see an interface right here like this. And this is where we're going to do the whole thing to get to the demo trading accounts. Now, when you're on this page, what you want to do is go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Once you click on it, you begin to see these things. We have the features showing over here. We have data, campaign center, then we also have learn, we also have announcement over here. Now what you want to do is come back to the features over here. Over here you will see we have preference, history, demo trading, portfolio margin, features chat room, features referral, and a whole lot of stuff over here. But then what we are interested in right now is demo trading. So we're going to tap on demo trading right here. Then you're going to be given these few things to read through. Binance provide you with demo trading environment to experience sports or contract trading by using Binance demo trading function. You agree to so and so terms and conditions. So we're going to tap on start demo trading. So now once this page loads, everything that you're going to do over here is entirely a virtual money. That is a demo trading. It's not the real money that you're going to use. We have the spot and we have the features over here. So you can choose anyone. Basically this video is about features. So we're going to be on the USDC. That's making our PNL to be in USDT, right? So the available amount I have over here to trade with currently is 5,000 USD, which is a virtual money, not a real money. So you can just use it to practice how to trade on features. Okay, so basically that is it. And if you like this video, then you definitely find this video on a screen very interesting. In this video I share with you ways that you can make money on Binance without necessarily investing money into trading. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Bless up.